Okay, hi everyone. Okay, let's continue our discussion for the revision. Okay, look at question 9. State two prime numbers that have a total of 20. Now, I still remember prime numbers. The criteria of prime numbers, it must be greater than 1. Okay, prime numbers must be greater than 1 and it can only be divided by 1 and itself. Okay, must be greater than 1 divided by 1 and itself. Okay, so we need to look for two prime numbers that have a total of 20. So if we look at this chart over here, okay, so all these highlighted boxes, they are prime numbers. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, okay, they are all bigger than 1 and they can be divided by 1 and themselves only. They cannot be divided by any other number. So which number, when we add up, we get 20? Okay, so you can choose 7 and 13. Right? 7 plus 13 is 20. Or you can also choose 17 and 3. Right? 17 and 3 is also 20. So it's either 13 and 7 or 17 and 3. Okay, question 10. Okay, times and then minus. Okay, so you times first. 10,356 times 98. Okay, you use 8 to times first and then you use 9 to times. Okay, 8, 6, 48. And you write 4 here. 8, 5, 40 plus 4 is 44. 8, 3, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 8 times 1, 8. The second one is 0. Then now you use 9 to times. 9, 6, 54. 4 above. 9, 5, 45. 45 plus 5, 50. 5 above. 9, 3, 27. 27 plus 5, 32. 32 here, 3 above. Okay, you can write 3 here because the next number is 0. 9 times 1, 9. Okay, then you add up. This is 8, 8, 8, 4. Okay, then you minus 37,000 and 5. Okay, make sure you arrange properly according to their values. Starting from the right, okay, the ones first and then all the way to the tens, 10,000s. Okay, then you minus this one, plus 10 minus 1. Plus 10. This one minus 1, you get 9. Okay, so your final answer, 977,883. Okay, question 11. 8.4% of 9,000 ringgit, right? 8.4%. So 8.4%, 8.4, you put it over 100, then you times 9,000 ringgit. Okay, there are 2 zeros here you can cross, 2 zeros here you can cross. So this one is 90. 90 times 8.4. So 8.4 times 90, you get 756 ringgit. Okay, question 12. What is the fraction that can be divided by 1 over 4 to get the answer of 4 1 over 2. So that means what is the fraction can be divided by 1 over 4 to get 4 1 over 2. So to find the unknown, you times the last two numbers. Okay, because this is dividing to the right, so to the left, to find the front number, we times. So this one times this one. And this one you change to improper fraction first. How do you do that? You times and then you plus. So 2 times 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. The bottom remains 2. Okay, then you multiply like this. 2 times 4 is 8, 9 times 1 is 9. And then this is improper fraction, so you change to proper fraction. Right, 9 divided by 8. So 9 divided by 8, so this is 1, balance is 1. So you go clockwise like this. So this is the round number, this is the top number, this is the bottom number. So the answer is 1 over 8. Okay, question 13. The diagram shows a number of sequence. Explain how to get the value of P using a calculator. So now we want to find the pattern first. How do we change from 6 to 18? Now we can times 3. Okay, if you take out your calculator, so the first one we take 6 times 3 and then we press the equal signs, we get 18. Then we press the equal signs again, we get 54. Then we press again, we get 162. Again we get 486. Again we get 1458. Okay, this is how we find P using calculator. Okay, we find the pattern first. Once we found out that we multiply by 3. So every time we just press equal sign. Okay, one more time. 3 times 6 equals 18. Press again. 6 times 3. 18, and press again. 54. Press again. 162. Press again. 486. Press again. Your final answer 1458. Okay, number 14. 7.5 divided by 0.8 times 20. Okay, so we can divide first. So 7.5 divided by 0.8. Now we can move the decimal point one time to the right before we divide. So move one time. So this one becomes 8. Move one time. This one becomes 75. So 75 divided by 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Balance is 3. We add 0. Right? So this is 3 times 8, 24. Balance is 6. Now this is already a point here because that's how we add a new number. So add another number, bring down. 7 times 8, 56. Balance, bring another one. 5 times 8, 40. So the first is 9.375. Then we times 20. Okay, 9.375. 9.375 times 20. Okay, the 0 you can copy down here first. Then we use 2 to multiply. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7, 14. Plus 1, 15. 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 times 9, 18. And then remember your decimal point. Okay. 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, point. So 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, point. So the final answer is 187.5. Okay, you don't have to write the zeros behind, just 187.5. Okay, for question 15, okay, we need to change this one into improper fraction first. So how do you do that? You times and then you plus. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. The bottom number is 5. You just copy. So divided by 18. Now 18 is the same as 18 over 1. Because 18, you divide 1, you get 18. Then this dividing sign, division, we need to change to multiplication. So when we change to multiplication, we need to flip the number. So 18 over 1 becomes 1 over 18. Okay, we flip it, terbalikkan, and then we can times. So it's 22 over 5 times 1 over 18. So we can simplify, cross simplify, okay, like this. So we divide 2, becomes 11, divide 2 becomes 9. So your answer, 11 times 1 is 11, 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, if you haven't watched the previous video on the question 1 until 8, you can watch the video here, and then we'll continue the rest of the question in the next video. Okay, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.